guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Comfy Catwalk. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am a reseller that has a closet on Poshmark. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, for checking me out. For those of you who are returning, my Catwalkers, thank you so much. This week is going to be very different. This is an unboxing of something that I have been waiting for. My channel, for those of you who don't know, is a mixture of things. Yes, it is geared towards thrifting. Yes, it is geared towards reselling, but I also share things that I personally am interested in and things that I like to collect. So this particular thing I have been interested in for quite some time. I'm gonna just cut to the chase and get down to it. Without giving away information about where I'm at, this is it. It is in this box. Before we even go down the road of me tearing into this box, one thing that I will say, this is just something that I'm sharing. This is not bragging, this is not anything. This is something that is going to be special for me because I have a birthday that's coming up, and I figured I did not want to miss out on the opportunity to have something that I was really interested in having. So please, if you do not like unboxings, or you do not like pre-loved things, or you whatever, okay, thanks so much. Move on to the next video. For those of you who do and you're interested in this, well, let's just get right into this unboxing. This particular item took a while to come because of where it was. It was in Dubai, and I got this from a site called The Luxury Closet, and I'll leave a link below. I am not sponsored. They just happen to have something that I was really interested in, and that's why I got it there, and that's why it took so long to get here. If you would like to know, yes, I had to pay duty and import customs for it to get into the country. So graciously enough, this was shipped via DHL, and they went ahead and paid the customs fees, but then I had to pay them because they wanted to expeditiously get it here, which was great, and I have no problem with that. I'm going to open this. So this is the delivery information. I'm actually going to cut that off. Don't play with knives. I'm going to take off that information because that's the shipping pack. So this arrived yesterday afternoon. They actually marked it as fragile, and yes, it is precious cargo. This particular handbag, because that's what it is something that I've been interested in for a long time. This handbag was produced, 2011 was the release date. This item, I'm super excited about. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Oh wow, okay. So as you can see, it says right here on the flap, it says The Luxury Closet. Here is their paper. Here is the information release. They are The Luxury Closet. They are a reseller of authentic luxury items. And we'll get into that. They're located in Novotel, Dubai. We'll get into the specifics of what this costs later. So here we go. This is a Chanel bag. Preloved. This bag was carried 2 times. It is in fantastic condition. It's come in a very large dust bag, as you can see, because this is a large item. is something that I really wanted. I am super excited to reveal it. This is the first time that I've seen it. It's been sitting on the floor since it got here yesterday. And so here we go. Let's get into a 3, 2, and a 1. This is her. Oh my God. This is what I got. This is the Chanel Maxi chain around flat bag in the softest brushed leather that I think I've ever felt. This is so gorgeous. This color is like a gold mustard color, right? You can see their certification, their tag attached. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. This bag is huge. This is 13 inches in length and 9 inches in height. So let's take a look on the inside. Wow. Wow. This has a magnetic clasp closure. I'm gonna just take out the stuffing that's in here. Inside, there's a clasp for if you want keys or something attached to it. I'm gonna let you peek the inside. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. This bag is so huge. This is gorgeous. If you look at this, this is like a row chain. Look at that. Look at this. There is no slip pocket in the back. I do not mind that. That's not what I was looking for with this bag. This bag is, oh my God, this is it. I debated, did I want this in black? Did I want this in some other color? I think there's like a brown color, a rich caramel brown color, and I was like, well, considering, I think I wanted something that had a pop of color, and this is it. This is beautiful. This is so gorgeous. I am so excited about this. So excited, and I'll give you what this looks like. This is so gorgeous. It is in flawless condition. There are no marks anywhere on this. This bag was purchased pre-loved. As I said, she is a beauty. She is a beauty of a bag. This is something that I consider a collector's piece for myself because of the fact that it is very unique. I tend to go towards Chanel bags that are unique and are going to be different. But here she is. Oh my God, I am so stoked. I am over the moon. I'm so excited. I think this is one of the best birthday gifts that I could have gotten for myself. And I love, this is a beautiful, beautiful bag. Beautiful. Look at the inside one more time so you can see how clean she is. Her tags, everything. Her card is in here. Her authenticity card. Here's her authenticity card. Her number on the back. Authentic. Also, what else is in here? Yeah, just the card. The card. Authenticity card and the Chanel paper card that was a part of this. And here's the care booklet, also included. It tells you how to care for the bag. But yeah, ta-da! Here she is. I am so excited. This is something I always wanted. This Chanel chain around Maxi flap. is everything. So just a little bit about it. The reason why that I was interested in this bag, I had seen it on the site, and one of the things that caught my eye was the fact that this bag, and I'm just gonna tell you what it is. I don't hold back when it comes down to talking about the specifics of the pricing. This bag was on the site and it was listed for $3,850, and the bag was on sale for 57% off. So you do the math. It was something that I could not say no to, and something that I was not going to pass up on. And for the condition that it's in, for the price point that I got it, I am in love. So there you have it. I just wanted to share that with you. If you're considering Preloved, this is a place that you would want to go to and take a look at things. Yeah, it was packaged beautifully, a gorgeous bag, flawless from front to back. So you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking in with me and for sharing this. I'm super excited. This is an early birthday gift for myself, and that is the reason why that I got it. And so do me this. If you haven't already, go over to Poshmark and check out my closet. I am calling Catwalk on Poshmark. If you haven't done so already, I am on Instagram. You can follow me there on IG. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. If there is anything in my closet that you see you might be interested in or would like to purchase, please feel free to DM me there so that together we can work it out so that you can get it before somebody else does. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap that bell in the corner for notifications. I post videos weekly. So please, if you don't want to miss any notifications, if you don't want to miss anything that I have to talk about related to thrift, resale, or things that I add to my personal closet, follow me there, follow me here, and you'll get those notifications so that you won't miss out on anything. That's all that I have. I wanted to share this with you. I wanted you guys to enjoy the experience, the opening, the unboxing with me of this Chanel chain around maxi bag. Thank you so much for checking in. I love you all, and see you next Sunday. Bye for now.